All right. So let's check out this #1 seller on Amazon. So today we have the Ondt Angle 3. This is the best seller on Amazon. Every time you go on there, it's been on there on the list for like a couple of years now. Every time I see best portable speakers that are selling, it's always this one. So let's take a peek at it. Let's get a little reaction. So this is the unboxing of it. Take it out right there. You have your manual, of course. Then we got the speaker and some plastic. Let's get up in there. All right. Does it come with a charging cable? There it goes. What is it? USB Type-C right here. Take this out. There you go. USB Type-C. Nice size cable. All right. Where's the plug on this thing? Where's the plug on this thing? There goes the power. Where's the plug on this thing? There's the power. Where do you charge it? So I couldn't even find the plug, but it's right there. This is where you'll charge up your USB Type-C. It was hiding there. I couldn't find it. We had to cut video on this one. And there it goes. You see? Put it in there. You're good to go. So for anyone that can't find the charging port, it's right there. You're good to go. The speaker is really light. It is really small. It's probably as big as my phone, honestly. Man, this thing is small, really light. There's gonna be no problem throwing it in your bag, or if you're using it at work, you'll be good to go. I'm surprised it's not cheaply, it doesn't feel cheaply made. Like, yes, a nice little whatever plastic, but it doesn't feel like, oh, this thing's gonna break if I drop it. So here's a little look at it so you guys can see. Nice little design right there. You got the rubbers on the ends. And then, like I said, your buttons right there. And then the bottom of your speaker. All right, I got my settings open up on my phone. Let's see how quick this thing connects to Bluetooth. It is on. My phone is on. It popped up. We are connected. There goes the sound. Let's test out the sound right now. Let's see. We're on max volume.
Sage about the flex. Buga bugalon, buga bugalon. Asa man ka, buga bugalon. Buga bugalon, buga bugalon. Tawa lang dia, buga bugalon. Buga bugalon, buga bugalon.
Now, one thing I'm gonna say, just by listening to it right now, this thing is impressing me. For 25 bucks and how small this thing is, it sounds way better than I thought it would. I thought for sure it was gonna have a little crappy sound, but it's been killing it on Amazon. You know, it has the 5 stars. I think it's like 25K reviews or more. I don't even know, but it has been killing it. Oh, one thing I noticed though, I'm trying to turn it down and it won't turn off. It just goes to this low volume. So that's one thing I'm noticing. It won't turn off, but whatever. Let me pause the song. But yeah, I'm really impressed with the sound. There's a nice little bass in there that you can hear. Of course, it's nothing like no JBL, so people, when I say nice bass, don't think I'm talking about it's gonna shake anything. But there's a nice bass in here. The mids sound good and the highs sound clear. It doesn't sound like stuff is bumping into each other. Now, this is just my quick first impression of it. I'm going to test it out for a week and I give you guys an official review of it. You know, the battery life is supposed to be 14 hours. We'll put that to the test and see. And I check everything on this. It's supposed to be waterproof as well. But if you're looking to get this speaker for 25 bucks or get it for someone, you know, this is definitely an option. I'm pretty sure they'll like this speaker. Sounds good. So in my book, 2 thumbs up. I like it so far. I'm gonna put it through the test and you guys keep an eye out for that review whenever I drop that. So hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I drop that video. But all right, Buzz, that's it. That was my quick little unboxing of the Ondt Angle 3. I wanted to see the first look. I wanted to see what all this hype was about this #1 selling speaker on Amazon that never leaves the top spot. So I wanted to check it out and I see why. $25, definitely worth it from what I can hear already. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I see all of you in my next video. I don't know what it's gonna be, but it'll be something. I see you there. Take care. Peace.
Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi na tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. 两倍步数还不够。